Hey everyone, it's Carrie here, and I'm the team lead of the product training team here at WellnessLiving. In this training video tutorial, we are going to review the improvement for icons that will appear for any appointments that have an incomplete setup for staff to see and attend to as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. So now I'm on the appointments booking screen as a staff member of my business. And in the appointment setup page, I can see under weekly food log review as an appointment type, I have the red icon. And if I hover over that, it'll tell me this service cannot be booked at this time. Please complete your service setup. So with this feature, any appointments that are marked as incomplete, meaning that it'll prevent a client from fully completing the booking online, this icon will now show up as an indicator for the staff to know, hey, I have to pay attention to this. Now, in terms of requirements of when this icon will appear would be 1, there is a staff that's selected, but they do not have any working hours set up on their staff profile. 2 is that there are no staff members selected at all for that specific appointment. And 3, if the appointment is set up to pay using a purchase option. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, which setting we're talking about here. So if we scroll down here, it is this option here. So let's say if we select clients can only buy purchase option for this appointment, but then let's just say we don't actually have any purchase options configured that can be applied to this appointment, then that icon will appear as well, because how can they pay for an appointment if I say they can only use a purchase option, but I don't have a purchase option that can be used to apply to it. So let's go ahead and get back out of here. And we can also see the exact same thing if we head on over to the list view of this appointment setup screen. So we can see the icon on the left-hand side, and if I hover over it, it'll now tell me that it's missing staff available hours. And this is a great feature for our staff members and business owners alike, because we can now easily come into this appointments page to easily identify which appointments set up are incomplete, so that now we know that we need to pay attention to those, go in and complete that setup, so then our clients won't run into a situation where they're trying to book an appointment, but they're unable to do so. And with that being said, that is all for today's training video, and thanks for tuning in.